This dictation material has been obtained from official para 11. The investing of the funds of the bank in or the underwriting of any stocks, funds, shares, securities, participation, term certificates, bonds, or other securities for money issued by a public limited company or any corporation established by or under any law for the time being in force or under the authority of the government or the State Bank of Pakistan, converting and covering the same into money when required, and altering and transposing any such investment for or into any other of such investments, the issuing of letters of credit, the buying and selling of gold and silver, whether coined or uncoined, the receiving of deposits and keeping cash accounts on such terms as may be agreed on, the acceptance of the charge of plate, title deeds, or other valuable goods on such terms as may be agreed on, the managing, selling, and realizing of all property, whether movable or immovable, which may in any way come into the possession of the bank in satisfaction or part satisfaction of any of its claims and acquisition and holding, and generally the dealing with any right, title, or interest in any property, movable or immovable, which may be bank security for any advance or loan, or may be connected with any such security, full stop, provided that the bank shall not take over the management of any such property except in pursuance of any agreement with the debtor or an order, judgment, or decree of a court of competent jurisdiction, the transaction of pecuniary agency business on commission, and the entering into of contracts of indemnity, suretyship, or guarantee with specific security or otherwise, and the underwriting, participating in, and carrying out of the issue of any stock, shares, participation, term certificates, and other securities, the administration of estate for any purpose, full stop, provided that any advances or loans which are guaranteed by the government may be made without any specific security, the selling and realization of proceeds of sale of any such promissory notes, participation, term certificates, stocks, receipts, bonds, annuities, stocks, shares, securities, or goods which are the documents of title to which have been deposited with or pledged, hypothecated, assigned, or transferred to the bank as security for such advances, loans, or credits, or which are held by the bank, or which, full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore, and Principal, Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahadra, Lahore.